Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to get your Shopify store link. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to Shopify and log in using your user credentials. Now, after you're on this page, that is the Shopify's dashboard, you will have to simply click on this online store button just under sales channel. Click on online store and you will see 4 buttons opening just at the bottom of this online store. You'll have to navigate to the theme section. Now, after you click on themes, you'll be on this page where you'll have to just click on this view your online store button at the top right side of the screen. After you click on this button, it is going to take you to this page where you'll have to just copy this link that is at the top. Right click, click on copy, and you can simply paste this code anywhere you want and it is quickly going to open your Shopify store. So the simple method is navigating to Shopify's dashboard, clicking on themes, or clicking on this view your online store eye icon, and it is going to open up this page where you'll have to just copy this link at the top of your browser. After you copy this link, right click and click on copy. You can simply share it with anyone you want and they'll be able to access your store on Shopify. So that is the simple way to get your Shopify store link. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.